Okay, well, I don't know what he's doing. But I know what we're doing. I do it. You know me, I love train stations. I love me some train. Hey, no, get up there, Aiden. What? I can't come. Oh, thank you. No. No. You just... Aiden, I don't know what the hell you're doing. Oh my god. I love this game. Sometimes I hate this game, but then when this happens, this is why this is why I play Watch Dogs, for glitches like this. Wow. That is priceless, folks. That is awesome. Did you just make a oh no! Oh no! Oh there he is, he's back. Wow. Wow. Is everyone okay? Everyone except for Aiden. I mean, I wish I could bring the camera down a little bit more so you guys could get a better angle on this. This is just... wow. 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 Patrick FZ, thank you for joining the stream. Little did you know when you joined Arrow Garfield 29 today that you were going to see Aiden in a compromising position. And boy, is that a compromising position.